So over here, you can see that I have a table right here. So let's say what I want to do is write a SQL query so that I can filter out the skill level basic right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around on to create, and I'm going to go around over here into query design. So once I do that, I'm going to click on SQL right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around over here on to select right here and say asterisk. So I'm just going to go around, say select asterisk right here. That is select all. And I'm just going to go around right here. I can also go around and press enter right here, just like this. And I'm going to say from, and I'm going to type in prices right here. So once I do that, I'm going to press enter and I'm going to type in where right here. So in the where section, I want to add in a condition. So I'm going to say skill which has basic as the value right here. So I'm going to say where right here, and I'm going to type in skill right here, and I'm going to press equals, and over here I want it to be basic, just like this, and I'm going to end it out with a semicolon right here. So once I do that, I can go around over here and run the query. So in the query design, I'm going to press run, and over here you can see that all of the data with the skill level basic is now being displayed. And that is how you can use the where clause to set out conditions to filter out the data inside of Microsoft Access. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.